This is Naimatul Jana. I'm from Borishal. This is my first for this day. This is my first video. I'm making video in English language for, and my tendency for make video is only practice, and I'm all the time every time I'm ready for make mistake, because I don't afraid to make mistake, and because I am ready for make mistake every time, because I am not any teacher, I'm not perfect, I'm not fluent, and I'm not good at English. That's why practice is only my tendency. And my guideline is Rajiv Ahmed sir. It is if I my guideline is Rajiv Ahmed sir is true. It's I think that when I in my entrepreneur life I listen to Rajiv Ahmed sir when I was afraid to English, and in my whole life I got highest 50 marks in English, 50 or 60 marks, and I didn't get any time A plus in English subject, and only for my this failure in subject I didn't get admitted in any good university in honors level, and that was my that was reason of my unhappiness and depression, and that's why I didn't take my study seriously, because all the time I was thinking that no, I am not good, I'm not good student, etc. So I lost my confidence, I lost all kind of hope, and when we lost our hope, and at that situation we don't know, we don't have any idea that what should I do, what to do, and I was always thinking that I'm nothing, I don't have any skill, I am the useless, I'm useless, and I don't have any ability to I'm not educated, etc. So I was depressed all the time. I thought that I'm nothing, I'm zero skills. I was all the time I was feeling I was depressed, because I didn't have any ability, I didn't have any confidence. So I thought that I don't have any right to live a life. So but I got my strength in my mind, in my heart, in my life for Rajiv Ahmed sir, and today I am an entrepreneur only for Rajiv Ahmed sir. Alhamdulillah. Today I am a girl, fully I am totally independent, I am self-dependent only for Rajiv Ahmed sir. Alhamdulillah. And today I got I am a girl with full of confidence only for Rajiv Ahmed sir. Alhamdulillah. And all credits goes to Rajiv sir, because when I didn't find honorable sir, when I didn't find digital skills group, I was a depressed girl. So and I was nothing. I'm not telling that now I am everything, I can do everything. No, it's I didn't mean that kind of things. I want to say that now I have a lot of confidence to fulfill my fulfill my dream around my career, and I'm not depressed. I'm not depressed for the guideline of Rajiv Ahmed sir. So I think that who I think that we should read all kind of post, all topics, every sentence written by Rajiv Ahmed sir. And every day I read category post from website of Search English group written by Rajiv Ahmed sir. And tonight I was reading category 1 post, and now I want to talk about category 1 post. The post name was how to become successful from nothing. And here sir written that when we reach the age of 19 to 20, we have to face the reality. Maybe you had the dream to study in a good subject in one of the top universities of your country. However, when the time comes for university admission, you find yourself struggling for even entering in an ordinary university. Most people think that studying in humanities or arts means having no prospect in future career. Many people struggle to get a job after graduating, so they start fearing that maybe they will have to remain unemployed for whole life. Yes, this is true that sir written here that most of the people who were depressed or who are depressed in a depression, who are in difficult situation, we face with a lot of problem. Most of the time, for our family problem, for our financial problem, or for our mistakes, what we did in our school life. And school life mistakes mean, suppose when I was in school, I was brilliant, but I didn't utilize my knowledge. I didn't give time for study. It's true. I didn't utilize my brain. I didn't give time for any subject. I was good in Bangla. I was good in management, marketing, finance, accounting, but I didn't give any value to my to time. So that's why I suffered a lot. No one suffered with me, only I suffered. And I realized that not in college life or school life. I have suffered when I was when it was too late. So that's why when I saw that all of my friends, all classmates are in good situation. Some of friends, some became doctor, some became engineer, some friend leading a life with very good career, good position, and some friends are a businesswoman, and some classmates are makeup artists. So I thought that what I am, who I am, only I am nothing. I am the loser. So I am loser. In my family side, I'm loser. I'm not good. I'm not good in my study. I don't have any certificate with good result. I am not perfect in English. When I go to any interview, when I went to any interview, I didn't get. I didn't tell them that yes, I can do everything. So I thought that here and there, everywhere, I don't get the opportunity. When I get the opportunity, that place I don't have my ability. So opportunity and ability, lack of opportunity, lack of ability. Opportunity means I didn't get any opportunity from my family side. I didn't face with many obstacles for my family. I and I did many mistakes. Not only my family, I did my many mistakes, and I was depressed that why my life is um, not good, only for my family, only for and for my family members. It was not my luck, it was my fault and fault of my family. So we never should depressed. uh, do you know that Jack Ma said that when we are 20 to 25 years, we should follow one boss. As like, suppose I got Rajiv Ahmed sir. So I got the guideline of Rajiv Ahmed sir. I got DSP group as the best platform in my life, and no platform has given me that kind of opportunity what DSP group has given me, Search English group has given me. So no group has given me the opportunities like those groups. And no teacher in my life, no teacher in my life that who has given me the guideline in this age. We are not child, but get a we get the best guideline um, free of cost. So we don't need to pay any we don't need to pay money. So but we are getting free guideline free of cost. So we should utilize our time. Okay, come to the main point. And I wanted to say that Jack Ma said that when we are 20 to 25 years, we should follow one boss, and and yes, I am following the guideline of Rajiv Ahmed sir. When I got when I joined in DSP group, I started to read all the posts of Rajiv Ahmed sir. When I joined, it was 2020. It was not 22. It was last year. I joined in DSP group, and I didn't have any ability to write Bangla post in full Bangla language. I used to write Banglish post. So and I that's why I was afraid to write any comment below of in the below of the post of Rajiv Ahmed sir. Only I read the post of sir. Only I read the post of sir for a long time. That what is the tendency of this group? I wanted to understand that what can I do here? What other people doing in this group? Then I started to follow others post in this group. I started to read the post of Rajiv Ahmed sir. Then I decided that no, now I understand. Now I realized that now I understand what is the tendency of this group. Then I started my practice journey with presentation post. I have given a lot of time for write only one post, but day by day I was improving. And after starting presentation post, after finished my presentation post journey, I started 10-minute writing post. Then I started to make myself super active in DSP group after finished 10-minute writing post. And then I started I was start my reading syllabus journey. And some days ago I finished my reading syllabus journey, and now I am focusing in my Search English group. Do you know that when I started to read the post of Rajiv Ahmed sir, I was getting strength in my mind. After that days, I was not a depressed girl. I was getting confidence slowly, and um, uh, all the time my strength was 10-minute post writing. My strength was 10-minute post of written by Rajiv Ahmed sir. For many time, I like to read the post of Rajiv Ahmed sir. I mean 10-minute post. 10-minute post writing post is every post of 10-minute writing post. Every post from 10-minute writing post was a guideline for me, was a strength for me. So we never should depressed. One day our life has changed. One day our life will change, but we have to follow the guideline. Who is honest, who is not selfish, who is a good, good person, and if our guideline is a good honest person, then our problem, then one day we will get we will be success in our life. But we have to be industrious. Suppose you are following the guide. Suppose you are respecting the guideline of Rajiv Ahmed sir, but you are not industrious. You never focusing. You are not focusing on your dream. Then it's then the guideline of Rajiv Ahmed sir is not for you. Suppose you want to suppose I want to good in English subject, so I have to sacrifice something, minimum something. I have to sacrifice for my dream. If I can't sacrifice anything for my dream, then my dream won't come to me. So suppose you don't have a good mobile. Okay, leave it. But you have to sacrifice something for your dream, and I have to do the thing every day. My dream is make myself strong in English subject, because I am not good in at English. So I have to. My plan for English language is make myself active in Search English group and DSP group. I will read category post of Rajiv Ahmed sir every day, and I will make video for digital skills group, which is a guideline of Rajiv Ahmed sir, every day. And I will put comment in digital skills group. I will read post from Search English group. I will write comment. I will put comment in Search English group. But if I do that kind of things weekly, one day in a week, then this is not possible for me. I have to do every day. What is my plan? What are my plan around my dream? I have to do this every day, because successful people do that thing every day and loser doesn't. So that's why I'm trying to give time for fulfill my dream. And thank you so much. Good night. Allah Hafiz.